Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about a very important problem. The axis of inclination is to the HP. Okay, so this is the one of the category to problem to solve the problem. So here I have to take this cylinder type of problem. So left hand side I have to show the cylinder. What is a look like a cylinder? How to construct the front view, top view of the given solid. Okay, so first you have to show the what is the given data for this problem. Okay, so the first given data problem is the solid cylinder. Okay, so if you mention cylinder, either they are mentioned as diameter or radius, but here they mention as diameter and the height is 80 m. So the inclination is 30 degree to HP. So draw its projection they have mentioned. Okay. So what you have to do is, so first you have to convert the data is a radius. Okay. After that, we have to know that the height of the height is 80 m and the inclination angle is 60 degree. So these are the given data. So here the what is my radius is radius is equal to 40 mm. Is correct? Why? Because the diameter is 80 mm. So the radius is 40 mm and the height of the solid is 80 mm. Okay, sorry, the diameter is 30, so that is 15. Okay, the diameter radius is 15. uh, yes, and the height is 80. Okay, 15 and the height is 80 m, 80 mm, and inclination angle, there is a theta, inclination angle theta to HP. How much is 30 degree? Okay, these are the given data. Okay, so what you have to do is, so first you have to point the center point. Okay, based on the center point, you have to construct the circle having a radius of 15 mm. So here I have to construct the 15 mm circle, and also you have to segregate the 8 equal parts. Why? Because the circle having no corners, so only the corner projection only we have to done by the projection of solids. Okay, so that only we have to solve the corners on the each cases. So what happens in this case? So you have to corners, you have to divide in 8 equal parts. Okay. So here there is no possible to draw. So I have to construct in manually. So here is my imaginary line one. Okay. This is my two. Okay. And this is my three. And this is my four. Okay. So once you have to consider these two lines are imaginary and these two lines are imaginary and this line you have to extend it and this line also you have to extend it. Okay. Similarly, you have to do it. Okay. So what is the next step means? You have to construct the first bottom names and I have to mention the top names. Okay. I have to consider here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is my bottom side of the cylinder and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is my top side of my cylinder. Okay, so these are my basic data. So whenever you give a front view, it look like a dash. If you have a top view, or top view is not a dash. Okay, so our remaining the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is coming under this the top side of the cylinder. Okay, so that's why I give it two types of name. So what next we have to do? You have to give a angle value. There is an angle of this side is that is you are mentioning angle in diameter. So what is the angle of this theta is called as the pi is equal, sorry, the theta is equal to, that is a pi. Okay. So pi is equal to what? 6, 30. Okay. Yes. So first you have to construct the after projection line, you have to draw the baseline. Okay. You have to construct the baseline. After constructing baseline, next step you have to take next step you have to take this yes. You draw the baselines. Okay, this is starting to ending. That is A dash to E dash. Okay. So next step you have to do is 80 mm height. So you consider the 80 mm height. Here also you consider the 80 mm height. 80 mm. And you have to close this box. Okay. So here mention as 1 dash, here 2 and 8 dash, here 3 and 7 dash, here 4 and 6 dash, here 5 dash. Okay. Similarly, you have to extend this line up to this case. So this is my top view of the given solid and this is my front view of the given solid. Okay, what is the height values mentioned in this problem is the height value is 80 m. So the next case, we have to see the next problem, next video. That is the inclination, how to construct the inclination for this case. Thank you.